What if you could have the sleek lines of a sport yacht and the versatility of a flybridge all in one? This is the Galeon 510 Sky, a yacht that redefines innovation with its hidden sky deck, expanding beach mode, and unmistaken European craftsmanship. I'm Gregg Kopp, and today I'm proud to show you my new 510 Sky 2022 listing. So as we come into the salon, you're greeted with all kinds of natural light because of the way that Galeon designs the boat with the windows. So you have beautiful views, you're still in nice, comfortable air conditioning, and you have a great flow walking through with basically 3 areas of social. You've got up here, a lot of the older people like to be in the air conditioner and out of the way. You've got like a midsection, which is your galley, which can take care of everyone on the boat. And then of course, you've got your aft cockpit area for the younger people or whoever wants to catch some sun. So here we are in the galley. Another cool aspect is it's an aft galley, which gives you access to right outside or up to the top of the boat. Easy to serve, it's just a great location on the boat. You've got a refrigerator here, a second refrigerator here, 4 burners on an induction stove, which is always a nice feature. And you've got a nice microwave convection oven. I also like how you have not a lot of clutter on the countertops, plenty of room to put out trays, good for hors d'oeuvres, and a nice area to cook with. So here we are in the upper salon area and the dinette. You've got panoramic windows in every direction. There's so much natural light. And because this is a Sky version instead of the Fly, you also have a spectacular sunroof, which will also open up, allow you to get some nice breeze through here. And then of course, when you drop the window down, open up the sides, you can have all kinds of fresh air coming through the cabin. So part of the cool design with this layout here is you've got really nice opposed seating. You can sit 6 people comfortably here to dinette. You can also drop the table down. There's a filler piece that goes over it and make this a giant sleeping area, or pop up your TV and the kids can watch movies at night, just a cool place to socialize. In addition to that, you can take the seat that I'm sitting at and face it forward, and then you can drive under normal circumstances looking forward. So here we are at the helm. Normally I like to drive from up top, but today it is very warm in Miami, so I'm down here. You've got everything you could possibly want. You've got the 2 12-inch Raymarine Axiom screens with your radar. You've got a bow and stern thruster. You've got the Seakeeper, the autopilot, everything you could possibly need to handle a boat like this. So one of the cool features I love about Galeons is the beach mode. So we have both sides open right now. I can take this, move it that way, and then I can sit here and look at the skyline of Miami today. So here we are in the aft primary master suite. Fantastic location, beautiful windows. I'm looking at the water here in Miami. You've got an area here. You could wake up, get on your laptop, check some emails. Ladies can get ready. There's a makeup mirror here. You can put jewelry, whatever you like. Just a great little workstation or makeup station, whatever you see fit. And you've got beautiful windows on both sides. You've got plenty of headroom. So as you stand up, you've got, I'm 6'1", 6'1.5". You've got enough room here. You can walk around both sides of the bed, making it easy to get in and out. And you've got storage everywhere. I also like how you have a washer dryer combo right here. You can pull it out, your laundry, set it on the bed, fold it up, hang it up, however you want to do it. And then you've got a massive closet that you can put everything in, or for hanging things, or you can put it folded nicely in any of these drawers that you have for storage. So when you come into the primary master bathroom, you've got a nice shower with a bench for seating, and you've got beautiful window view to the ocean. So here we are in the forward VIP, even more headroom than in the primary. You've got drawer storage underneath the bed. You've got drawer storage almost level with the bed, and you even have above storage. So there's tons of space here. You've got also 2 hanging lockers, just a great VIP room. And you also have access to the bathroom without disturbing the other guests. Last but certainly not least, we have the 3rd stateroom, which is a really nice bunk bed setup. And even the 3rd stateroom has a spectacular window to take in the water. So another thing that I really like is this aft rotating seat. Right now it's in the facing forward position where you can dine. By the way, this is an upgraded table. He also added another table up top, which we'll get to there in a minute. But we can take this seat, we can swivel it around, and then we can face this direction. It's also nice if you're at the dock and you want to engage with maybe people walking by or to watch the kids swimming in the water. So another cool spot on the boat, we have our bar. We've got 2 bar stools that come here. This will pop up and you can serve drinks, food, just a great place, or be in the shade depending on where the sun is. So as we make our way to the bow, I would like to point out this feature here. So if the tide's really low, you can open this and step out easier. Just another detail, and it's on both sides. So here we are on the bow. You've got nice lounging area on both sides, plenty of seating, and these have backrests as well, which simply tuck away. You don't have to pull them out, carry them, stow them. They're actually designed to lay flat underneath. So pretty cool innovation there. And if you don't want the full table, you can close it up and have a cocktail table. So one of the things I love about the design of this boat is you have that sleek profile, really nice lines, but you also have a little bit of a bridge up here, or in this case, a lot of bridge. So you've got plenty of seating. It's a center where I am right now, right in the center, so I can see both sides. I can see the swim platform even in the sitting position, which is great for docking. And then of course, you've got a bow and stern thruster on this boat. So besides the good looks, you've got a ton of seating solutions. Right now, we can put 3 people facing forward at this moment. I can drop this down, people can lounge. You've got seating all around. And he actually added a table, which he put a custom cushion, and everything looks so perfect on this boat. So you can make it as a bigger lounge, or you can dine on it, however you want to do it. And it doesn't interfere with the cool aspect of this boat, the way that you push a button and this whole area closes up, which is really nice. So a couple of things that the owner added, which I really like. He put this large bimini top, which gives me a ton of shade and plenty of headroom. I don't have to bend down and walk around. I've got all the room I need. And as you can see, the cushions are all out of the sun. So while we're up here, you'll also notice that the owner added Starlink, which is fantastic, especially if you like to go to the Bahamas. You're in full communication the entire time. So the owner also added the bow shade cover with carbon fiber poles, which gives you more protection when you're up on the bow. The owner also added the Electro-C centerline system for the air conditioner raw water circuit. And last year, he upgraded the Dometic chiller to a titanium model, which typically costs you about $32,000. So this 510 Sky is a one-ownered boat, and he just traded up to a larger Galeon, being his 3rd Galeon with MarineMax. He's got the Brunswick Galeon Premier Extended Warranty, which runs through November of 2027. So if you'd like to set up an appointment to see this yacht in person, feel free to call me. I'm Gregg Kopp, 786-390-5292. Thanks for watching.